Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on location or position. Location refers to the position of an object. More importantly, in simple terms, it describes the place where something is situated in relation to another object. Location or position words. The following are some of the common words used to describe the location or position of an object. There are many others. So we have near, behind, under, on, between, above, below, in, up, down, next to, low, north, south, east, west. Let's look at some examples. We can see here we have a lot of food. It looks so beautiful. And here we have a table. We can quite confidently say that the food is on the table. So there's a position word. It's telling us the location of the food with respect to the table. Let's look at this one. The cat is near the door. You can see that. Quite easy to see. In some cases it might be possible to use other position words for the same situation. For the above picture we may use inside or possibly outside instead of near. So it depends whether the cat is inside the house or outside the house, inside the door, outside the door. It depends. Now there is another possibility too. There are two words. Let's have a look carefully, see if we can get these two words. They were on the last slide. The first word starts with N and the second word starts with T. So what would be those position words there? The cat is the door. I think you know. Next to. So we can also use next to. Let's look at this here. We have a car and we have a mechanic. The mechanic is under the car. We could also use the word beneath instead of under. Let's look at these three objects here. We have a square, a circle and a triangle. The circle is between the square and the triangle, and you can see that quite clearly. The square is to the left of the circle. Okay, see the square is there to the left as we're looking at it. So pretend you're looking at the screen. You can see that the square is to the left of the circle. The triangle is to the right of the circle as you are looking at it. Let's look here. The dog is behind the man. You can quite clearly see that. The dog's not in front. He's not next to the man. He's behind. The mother elephant is in front of the baby elephant. So there's the mother elephant and there's the baby. We could actually say, if we were to start the sentence with the baby elephant is, how would we finish it? I think you know. The baby elephant is behind the mother elephant. Let's finish off with this interesting one here. Now here we have a compass which, as we're looking at the page, let's pretend that's north, south, east and west. We're focusing here on the blue circle. See the blue circle here? Where is the blue circle in relation to this smiley face? Well, one possibility is the blue circle is east of the smiley face, because that direction there from the smiley face is east. But we could use something else, can't we? Look over here. Do you reckon this would be a possibility? The blue circle is to the right of the smiley face. So that's another possibility. And if you really wanted to impress, you could even say the blue circle is near the smiley face. The blue circle is next to the smiley face. So there are a lot of different ways of using position words. You just have to look at the situation very carefully, look at the objects in question, and just choose the most suitable or as many position words as you can.